On a scale of 0 to 10, how can you rate Kenyan's economy, whereby 0 to 4, it's a failed economy, 5 is average, and then 6 to 10 is an improving economy? How can you rate it?
Okay, I'll rate Kenyan economy at 5. It's average, and because you can't say that it's really improving, because you look at the way the statistics are showing. Let's say right now people are thinking that maybe the economy is improving, but in the real sense, it's the problems out there. The global crisis is the one making us think that maybe the economy is improving. By maybe the fuel going down, the prices of the fuel going down, prices of the unga and everything going down, it's not that it's being positively contributed by those who are leading the nation, but it is because of the global crisis out there. So the people from outside, they are tending to make the dollar to be devalued. So we might think that the economy is really improving, but it is the dollar being devalued and making our currency maybe to improve. Yeah, so the Kenyan economy is at 5. It's at an average. It's not that bad for the normal citizen, and it's not that really improving that much. Yeah.